Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to create text on your drawing in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click Annotate. Move to the left here and click Text. The first step in creating your annotation is to click the starting point. This will be the bottom left-hand corner of your text. The second step is to define the size of your text, which I can define by the length of this orange line. I want this text to be quite large, so I'm going to position my cursor here and then click. Next step, this white line defines the angle that the text is written on. I could click to define it, but I want it to be dead flat, so I'm going to type 0 and then hit Enter. Now just type whatever you want your text to say. Typing works just as you would expect, even going to the next line when you hit Enter. When you're done, hit Escape. Let's quickly do the whole thing again, angled along this side this time. Again, click Text, the starting point, the height, and the angle. Now type the note and hit Escape. If you want to edit some text that's already written, go up to Text and click the little arrow that's underneath it. Then click Edit Text. Now just click on whatever text you need changed, and you're ready to go. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.